On behalf of my colleague Marcelo Pinheiro and me, Patricio Hernáez, I have the pleasure of presenting for everyone the work entitled Intertidal burrowing shrimps collected along the Brazilian coast. The infraorder Axiidea and Gebiidea, formerly known as Thalassinidae, are comprised by the so-called ghost shrimp and mud lobster respectively, two clades of marine decapod with a body form completely adapted for a fossorial lifestyle. These organisms, referred here as burrowing shrimp, can be found in soft sediment of primarily intertidal and subtidal areas, although several species are common into deeper habitats. Burrowing shrimp are known for constructing burrows of different shapes and depths and for playing an important role in shaping the community structure. Bioturbation produced by these organisms relative with the activity of water and sediment expulsion from its galleries contributes to the suspension of organic matter in nitrogen fixation and increase the food availability among the trophic level. At the end of 2015, we initiated a project to document the diversity and geographic distribution of intertidal ghost shrimp and lobster along the coast of Brazil. The development of this study facilitated the collection of a large number of specimens as well as the collection of ecological and environmental data about these fossorial organisms. Here we partially present the result of this large-scale study by providing information about the morphology and some information about distribution of named intertidal burrowing shrimp found along the coast of Brazil. A total of 1,166 specimens of 9 species of intertidal burrowing shrimp were collected along the Brazilian coast, which were distributed in the following taxa listed by infraorder and family as Axiidea, Callianassidae, 1 species, Callichiridae, 6 species, Gebiidea, Axianassidae, 1 species, Upogebiidae, 1 species. Below are some details of the species collected during. This is the taxonomic list. 9 intertidal species of burrowing shrimp, 2 of which were discovered during the development of this study project and which were described as the new species for the Western Atlantic, namely Biffarius botterae and Callichirus pinheiroi. As an example, here we present one of these species. This is Biffarius botterae. This species is morphologically close to Biffarius delicatulus, with which it shares a number of characteristics, including vestigial male pleopod 2, absence of crista dentata in the surmaxilliped, and uropodal endopod widening distally. However, the two species can be easily separated from each other by the shape of the male major calipod, much more massive in Biffarius botterae than in Biffarius delicatulus. Biffarius botterae can be distinguished from both Biffarius biformis and Biffarius limosus in having vestigial male pleopod 2 versus male pleopod 2 absent in Biffarius biformis and consisting of a minute papilla in Biffarius limosus. In summary, a review of the literature shows us that so far a total of 46 species of burrowing shrimp have been reported from Brazilian coast, 65 Axiidea and 11 Gebiidea. From these, 24 out of 46 recorded species are distributed in intertidal habitat. This number is much higher than the total of the species found by us during our intensive sampling activities along the Brazilian coast. Our results show only 11 species found. This could be a result of poor identification of previous record or local extinction of some population. Finally, we want to take to FAPESP, FACEPE, and CAPES for providing funding in the form of different fellowship grants for the author. The biological material study hearing was collected with official collecting permission given by CISBio and M.A.A. from Brazil. Thanks a lot.